Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Ox on the Run, and today we're going to show you this North Point by Jayco. It's the 340 CKTS, so stick around. We're going to show you all the great features on this unit.
North Point 340 CKTS. Wow, I remembered. I can't believe this. This is good. So just want to walk around quickly. One thing I liked about this was this grill, outside kitchen, staged outside into the basement. This is kind of nice. It's a nice feature. 35-gallon tank on each side, one on each side, full access to the other side. And as we can see, there's a little bit of surprise over there with the water distributor that's integrated into this unit. So there's people in there, so I won't bother, but nice opening. Not one of those self opening that stays open. You got to put the tab on there, but 4 steps, more ride as usual. 2 8,000-pound axle with the more ride 3000 system, as we've seen a lot of units lately, which is really nice. We're talking about a unit that's 12,800 pounds of empty weight, frameless windows, nice construction, hitch in the back, receiver, ready to hook up your bicycle rack or your tow vehicle to haul your golf cart or whatever you have and you need to bring to the campsite. Full ladder set up on the unit. 3-unit slide, really nice. One feature I like about this that we've had in a couple of different campers lately, it's a real help for us as inspector, because now I can actually access, as you know, the electrical and the water system from the side of the unit, which is totally smart. And this is, well, as we may have an idea now, this is already giving me a sign of how do we call those, 110 refrigerator, residential refrigerator, thank you. And it also makes me think of, I know this unit comes with 380 watt panel, solar equipped already. So we'll see the front end, but it's already preset. Nice water-based system, integrated water filter into the system itself. As we can see, we got our water distributor. So somewhere in there will be, probably on the island, or if there is an island. Is there an island? I think there is an island in this.
We'll see when I take you inside.
We'll see, there you go. So we had one 30-gallon tank on the other side. I said 35, but it's 30. And on this side, I got 2 more. Now those are 35-gallon. So most likely, the unit on the other side is actually for the grill side itself. That's what I think. 6 leveling system integrated into the unit. Be careful, there's water dripping here. Leveling system on the right hand side. You can see it's already prepped for solar. Battery, lithium would be preferable, so if you can get that way, that'll be awesome. Now, I also forgot the favorite of my wife that should come with the vacuum integrated system. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go inside and see what Laurel has to show us in this unit 340.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you're enjoying it, we would love it if you would hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment, because we want to hear from you. Let's come on inside and see the cute features that I have found in this kitchen that I absolutely love. So coming into the kitchen, you've got this beautiful island that extends over here because they've actually put a butcher block at the end, which I absolutely love. So you can lift it up, you can put it down, do some extra slicing and dicing. You've got your table that actually extends out. It has a leaf, so you can have 4 chairs rather than just 2. And you can also charge your phone right over here while you're eating dinner. And then coming into the living room, you've got your love seat sectional that is electric. You've got, you know, your little charging port here and a place to put your cups for your drinks. And coming into the living room, so you've got your sofa that pulls out into a bed, but you also have extra storage here on each side, which is always a plus for your magazines or your crochet. Tons of storage above, which is fantastic. And over here, we've got the televator. So hey, let's get some extra light in here during the day. You've got your JBL stereo system down here, your fireplace. This flips down so you can put your decorations back out here and make it all beautiful. And then coming around into the kitchen, look, you can write on this. So you can put whatever it is that you need to give at the grocery store, a little love note to your hubby or wife or partner. And you've got a great pantry area that's all backlit. But here's a feature that I found, and this is so cool. So it says spices, this comes down, you can lay your spices all in here. I think that is a really cool feature. And you've got your Insignia convection oven, plenty of storage, really deep drawers, and you can also have this, check this out. This was really cool. I love this because you can actually get to everything that's underneath the sink in this slide. So that's a really nice feature. And then coming over, of course, you've got your residential refrigerator, which is beautiful. Freezer on one side, fridge on the other. You've got your ice, your water maker. And then look at this, right above the Insignia stove, 4-burner stove, but ta-da, look at all the storage behind there. That is absolutely awesome. I love this. One more feature, check this out. So this pulls out, so you can do your extra cooking over here. You've got more room and it just stows away. And you've got these soft closed drawers, which is fantastic. Again, on the floors, I just want to say this, on this side, you've got a nice flush slide. On the other side, you've got a lip that everything is on. We call this the toe stubber, but just wanted to point that out. And then we're gonna come on up into the bedroom. But coming into the bathroom, are you showing them the
central vac?
The central vac.
Love that.
I forgot to say that, the central vac. But come on into the bathroom. You've got to check out this backsplash. It's absolutely beautiful. Love the sink, huge shower, really big shower, tons of storage underneath the sink, but also on the back wall over here is a ton of storage. So they've really put in and used all the little nooks and crannies that they possibly could to give you the storage that you need, which is fantastic. We all need storage. And coming in, you've got the king size bed. Under the bed, tons of storage. It goes the full length, guys, which is fantastic. So all your stuff that comes with the RV is in there now, but of course, once you move in, it's gonna be your stuff.
Nice window in the back of the headboard.
Really adds a ton of light. A lot of mirrors on your sliding doors for your full-length closet. So it goes all the way to the other side. The other side has, well, I can actually show you. So we shut this and open this side, and you have, it's not a laundry chute, but it's a laundry basket, which is great. So it just holds all your dirty clothes, and then this just slides over here. And you've got tons of space. Over here in front of the dresser, this is great. This whole thing opens. So look at all the storage that you have here to put things. So guys, stick around because we're gonna share with you our favorite and least favorite features about this particular unit. Seriously, what's your names?
Christy and
Christy
Glen.
and Glenn, okay.
As we're just filming this, we got this couple who walks in, they're all excited. She's gonna video to her kid, and they're all
So this is
excited.
Christy and this is Glenn, and they have just purchased this beautiful unit. Are you guys gonna name it?
We haven't even gotten that far.
You haven't?
We have to.
Oh yes, you do. Okay, so why did you choose this particular unit?
It's a really good question. Jayco wasn't even on our list initially.
Further budget.
But I think the layout, I think
We looked at everything.
the open concept of the living room and the kitchen was honestly what sold it.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you gonna live full time? You are. Is this gonna be, are you just moving in full time? This will be your first time? Or have you been
No,
full
we've
timers?
been full time for
Okay.
about 4 months now.
Awesome.
Well, good.
So
nice
this
to
is
meet
really
you guys.
short,
and it is
really-
cool.
yeah.
We're happy for you.
Well, welcome
Thank
home.
you so much.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
This is
Yeah.
awesome.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so we've been kicked out of our sightseeing of this camper.
Well, the new owners are in it, which is awesome. It was so much fun meeting them, and they are excited, and they should be, because this is one
nice
beautiful
unit.
RV.
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard because we have to tell you, because we tell you that we're going to tell you our least favorite and favorite features, and you know that it's all a matter of a personal opinion.
Yeah.
So, because this is spectacular.
Yeah.
So, honey, what is your least favorite?
I don't know if they're not there, so I don't even know.
Okay, I'll tell you mine. It's the toe stubber. You guys all know it's always the toe stubber. So if you don't have one, let's just talk about the favorites.
Yep, no, let's talk about the
Okay.
favorite. If I think about the...
Listen, I have a lot of favorites, and I'm going to start in the kitchen. First of all, the pantry, the outside of the door where you can write that list or the honeydew list that you want to on that, that's awesome. But on top of that, where you have the spice rack that I pulled out and showed you, how cool is that? And then above the stove, that extra cabinet behind is phenomenal. I love that. And beside the stove, you can pull out that little area and be able to chop and dice. I mean, they've got a lot of really great features in this unit.
And for me is what we see right
Christy,
there.
you're gonna love your kitchen.
That kitchen that comes out that we see right there.
The outside
Right over there,
kitchen.
that is nice.
Yeah,
I like
it's
that.
beautiful.
And the fridge right there, and the access to the basement, and the water distributor. So that was a big feature, and that's what he was saying. Is that's the feature that sold them, because instead of putting water in there, they'll put wine.
Well, that's true, but they're from New Hampshire, and so they love Poland Spring water, which is from Maine.
Yeah.
So wherever they travel, whether New Hampshire to Nebraska, they're always looking for good water.
So do we.
We do too. So they've got a good water system on this unit, which is awesome.
So hope you guys enjoyed, and you remember, it has nothing to do about the destination.
It's all about the journey.